Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Epson L365 and I want to do a head cleaning. So we're gonna see today how to do a head cleaning on Epson L365. So on my computer I go to start button. So my laptop, I'm sorry, is in French, but I will explain you how to do it. After click on start button and type control panel. Mine is in French. Okay, control panel. So after this we have this window and we go to show peripherals and printers. When we click here, and now we see all printers that installed on my computer. So I have many printers that I want to clean, to do a maintenance or to clean a head, to do a head cleaning. I'm sorry, my English is very poor, I'm very sorry. So mine is Epson L365. okay, I have also Epson L805. So now we want to do on Epson L365, this one. Okay, so right click and we go to print option d'impression in French, I'm sorry. And then we have main, we have more option, we have maintenance. Now we go to maintenance, where we have many tools, but we want to do a head cleaning. So what's a head cleaning? Head cleaning is when your printer have many, the quality of printer is not good. We have some rows on paper like that. So it means the quality is not very good. It means the heads must be cleaned. Okay, we click here, please wait. Okay, we have this window. So head cleaning, we click start. So as we click to start, and let's see what the printer doing. Okay, here the printer is cleaning itself, as we see here. Okay, let's go. So wait till it's finished. Because it's important to do head cleaning, but not every day, not per hours. You can do it 2 days per week. Okay, 2 days or 3 days, as if you are cleaning the head. Because when you do it every time, you are make it to be in a bad condition. So head cleaning in progress, please wait. We are waiting for head cleaning to finish. these are the same steps for this L365 and also for this Epson L805. So it's same steps. So try when you see your computer you're not giving a good work, some rows, some letters seem to be not good. So you do first a head cleaning and see the result. And thank you for visiting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment. If there are questions, ask. I will give you the answer. So we're waiting to finish this.